friends, we are learning about 3D shapes this week, and our learning objective for our lesson is I can identify 3D shapes. Say that with me. I can identify 3D shapes. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Before I get started, I'm going to put this on my head and we're going to see if I can keep it on the whole time. Okay? If I can teach this whole lesson without it falling off. All right. So we've already talked about 3 different 3D shapes this week. We talked about a cube, a cylinder, and a sphere. Today is the last 3D shape that we're going to talk about, and it is a cone. A cone. Can you say that? Cone. All right, now if we look at this shape, you'll notice it's something I can hold in my hand. It's a 3D shape. And it's the same shape as my party hat, isn't it? It's the exact same shape as my party hat. Something else that's a cone that we see all the time, especially when we're driving, are traffic cones, right? They look the same. They are the same shape. A cone is a shape. Oh, let me try again. I wasn't sure if it would stay. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. Okay. So a cone is a shape. It's got a pointy part at the very top, okay, kind of like my hat. And it's got one flat face or one flat side. And what shape is that side? Yes, it is a circle. And this is what a cone looks like. A lot of times I can find a cone in my kitchen cabinets. It's something I put ice cream in. An ice cream cone, you're right. So this is the shape of a cone. Now let's look at this again. Do you see any sides or faces in this shape? Me too, I see one right here. So there's one side or one face on a cone. Now this one's a little bit tricky. Do you see any corners? Do you see any corners on this cone? Remember, a corner looks like this. Do you see any corners? No. Oh, I lost it again. No, there are no corners on this shape. It's got a point at the top, but it does not have any corners. I'm gonna have to hold this up here the rest of the time because it will not stay. So we know that a cone has 0 corners and it has one face or one side. All right, I'm gonna let go for a second. So let's review all 4 shapes we've talked about this week. Cube, cylinder, cone, and the last one is a sphere. Very good. So these are the 4 3D shapes that we learned in kindergarten. Next week, we're gonna dive a little bit deeper into these and we're gonna compare them and how they're the same and how they're different. And we might even compare them to our 2D shapes. All right, friends, bye.